ICTQual is offering Level 4 Diploma in Agriculture Engineering, 120 credits, 1 year, a comprehensive program designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in the agricultural engineering sector. Throughout this diploma, you will explore the principles of agricultural engineering, including machinery design, irrigation systems, crop production technologies, and sustainable farming practices. With a mix of theoretical learning and hands-on experience, this course will prepare you to develop practical engineering solutions that support the growth of modern agriculture. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 12 mandatory units which will be completed 1 year. In 1 year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring agricultural engineers, agriculture technicians and engineers, career changers, sustainability enthusiasts, international students. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 4 years of verified experience in agriculture engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.